add profile picture to Canva resume, let's first of all come here and search for resume. We have all these templates come up. I'm going to just pick this template that is here, and I'm going to open this template up. Now that I have my resume up, I want to go and bring in my photos. I'm going to click on the upload tab to bring in my photo into this resume. I'm going to click on the photo hood and make sure it selects that place the images. You see the way I replaced it. If I even want to make my photo beautiful, I can click on it and curve the corner rounding. You see what it did to my image. And if I still want to take this further, I can click inside it and I can flip this image. I will flip horizontal so it's facing the text that is here.